HealthifyMe full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to HealthifyMe are in the description. HealthifyMe is a comprehensive health and fitness app designed to help users track their diet, exercise, and overall well-being. It's particularly popular in India and other regions where calorie tracking, personalized diet plans, and AI-driven coaching are essential for fitness enthusiasts. The app is suitable for anyone looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle with expert guidance. Features. HealthifyMe offers a powerful calorie and macronutrient tracking system, allowing users to log food intake from a massive database, including regional and home-cooked meals. Its smart AI coach, Ria, provides personalized diet and workout recommendations based on your goals, making it a standout feature. The app also includes detailed workout plans ranging from yoga and bodyweight exercises to advanced strength training routines. Another key feature is the integration with wearable devices like Fitbit and Google Fit, enabling users to track their activity and steps seamlessly. For those who want a more hands-on approach, HealthifyMe offers premium plans with access to certified nutritionists, fitness coaches, and personalized meal plans. Live workout sessions, hydration tracking, and fasting options make it a well-rounded health companion. Strengths. One of the biggest strengths of HealthifyMe is its detailed Indian and international food database, which makes it easy for users to log meals with accurate calorie counts. The AI-powered Smart Coach provides useful guidance, even in the free version, making it accessible for those who don't want to invest in a personal coach. The app's interface is intuitive, and the seamless integration with wearables enhances activity tracking. Personalized coaching in the premium plan is also a major advantage for users looking for expert-driven guidance. Weaknesses. However, there are some downsides. The free version has limited features compared to the premium plan, which may feel restrictive for some users. The AI recommendations, while helpful, are not always as effective as human coaching. Some users may also find the food logging process time-consuming, especially for homemade meals that need manual entry. Additionally, the pricing of premium plans may not be ideal for budget-conscious users. Final verdict. HealthifyMe is an excellent all-in-one health app that combines calorie tracking, AI coaching, and expert consultation for a complete fitness experience. The free version provides solid functionality, while the premium plans offer great value for users looking for personalized coaching. If you're serious about tracking your nutrition, fitness, and overall wellness, HealthifyMe is a strong choice.